Ratchet. That's what, as we always say, ratchet. Oh yeah, check out the new fuel tank, guys. Here, let me pull this out here real quick and I'll show y'all the new fuel tank. Check it out. Now we got a 1.8 gallon tank. Woo! Excuse the garage. The wife's painting the house right now and she's got my garage all tore to pieces. Oh yeah. But y'all be sure to check out those good places right there back there.
She's got all the angles of his dangle all messed up.
That's true. That'd be very, very true. And I tell you what, it's got me all tore up.
I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky, so I leave them all hates like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a
Made you look. That thing's heavy.
Yeah.
That's the one that your boy's kind of scared to use now?
Yeah. That's a brand new $600 saddle that my old man got him, and he rode that mule once and it bucked him off.
He's terrified now, ain't he?
You know where I felt the saddle at?
Where's that?
Over at his mother's running.
Right. He's right here. Oh no, you know better than that. Well, probably, yeah, we got
it all flush, right?
But yeah, we got to grind it off flush, I believe it. Yeah, we got to make sure all this kit's going to fit right, like that one up there.
You got to grind that off first, though.
Yeah.
You got to cut off wheel?
I think so. I mean, yeah, we're about to take and drill some of that too.
Oh, wow.
We got to drill it. Spot for a bowl.
Oh.
I forgot that part. We got to take.
Where's the bracket at?
It's in there. It's
The
in that little bar.
mount.
It's in that little bar right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Basically, we got to get where there's the bottom it's going to be at. And we got to take and mark a spot, and then you take a punch and you punch it, and then you drill through it.
So what, it goes like that?
Oh,
That's the other bolt I got to drill out.
I mean, it's all come with it.
There should be a spacer fit in that.
You get here close as I can here.
Just plug that into it.
And we're good.
Check it out. I turned a middle rod into a punch. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Like I said, my old lady's got everything I reckon out here. He's gonna wreck it. You gonna line it? I got it lined up already?
Yes, sir.
This is the redneck way of doing stuff right here, you know what I'm saying? There's a way to do it, and we're gonna use this. This is how we just step up our stuff. This is how we step up our game around here.
Yeah.
They want our boat all in there, all nice and spiffy. Well, check this out. Pepper Jasper J way, baby.
That's right. Redneck with a knife.
He's got a knife so sharp. Look at how it cuts that aluminum there.
Shave aluminum.
Look how much aluminum be coming out there, boys and girls. I tell you what, he got a knife so sharp now. Look how much aluminum coming out of there. Whoo! Remember now, we got to check it every so often to see if we flat or not. We flush. Okay. Well, you know, we didn't even need a drill bit, did we?
Just a little bit more.
You just take a knife from Pepper Jasper J's knives. You can get one of these knives for $13.99 here for $14.99. But to have it sharpened, you're gonna pay up to at least $49.99 to have it sharpened by Pepper Jasper J himself. Comes with the signature autograph series. You can even have your own very own Pepper Jasper J motor. You know, he'll take and he'll carve your motor for you yourself for $159.99. He'll even carve his name in it.
Yeah, plus applicable taxes.
That's right. In Kentucky, that's 6% sales tax.
Yeah, we ain't getting in trouble with the IRS.
That's right. We ain't get no trouble with the IRS.
Almost there.
Whoa. This is how you do it, boys and girls. This is the country way, okay? This is the countryman way. How's he getting it even all the way across? I don't know. It's just magic.
It's not just that good.
This man's magic, okay? He's got the magic touch. That's what it is. It's just magic. Ho, ho, ho.
It's magic. You know, simply believe it's not so. It's magic.
Magic.
A little bit more.
Who needs a step up bit, right?
That's right. When you got a pocket knife and you with aluminum.
This man did take and he did, you know, drum out his own big bore kit.
That's right. I cut it up with a damn die grinder.
Damn right he did.
And it works perfect.
For some reason, it took the machine shop a lot more time to get it done than he did.
It took the machine shop like what,
weeks,
2 months.
2 months.
And I did mine in 2 hours.
He did his in 2, yeah. Well, I mean 2 days, but 2 hours worth of time. That's pretty bad to say that, isn't it?
Yeah, I did it by hand faster than the machine shop people could do it with the big machines.
That's pretty bad. And they try to charge me a whole hour just for figuring out how to do it. I said, no. You're a race machine shop, for goodness sake. You don't get to charge me to learning how to do it.
Yeah, they charge you for setting it up, he said.
You got to charge me, by goodness, for doing the job.
They wanted to charge you an hour's time for setting it up.
And learning how to do it. Because they didn't know how to set it up and learn how to do
It
it.
don't matter, that ain't on you.
Exactly. Now this is a premium race machine shop that build race cars and stuff.
You with flush.
Look at that, boys and girls. Look. Look, he's there.
Perfectly flush.
What do you know about that? Flush. Like royal flush. Something there.
Imagine that, huh?
Yep, one bow.
Do you believe in magic? And I hope you do.
That's actually you got it on there backwards. You got it on backwards.
Huh?
You got it on there backwards.
Oh, it goes like this?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Show's done.
Yep, that's why you watch the video.
Oh,
Yep, you got to grind that one piece down, yep.
That inside down there.
You got to grind it out.
Has to be ground all the way down to the aluminum?
Yep.
You kept hollering, don't go too far.
No, I was just making sure you didn't go so far that you got past the, yeah.
You kept saying, don't go too far.
I didn't know how far you was going there, Well, I don't know. We're just
Right. Put it in. Boy. Dead pussy blue.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we do another test bit.
Let's see. I think we're going to grind some off around the edges and right there.
You might have to, yeah, I never know. You
I
got on the wrong way again.
don't know why. I think it fits the other way. I don't know. My brain.
You're right.
My brain's just stuck on that opposite way. No, it's clear everything right there. Twist turn. It's clear everything good.
That's good.
Seems like you should go up on there further though. But I mean, hell, it's wet. I mean, way away from everything.
Yeah.
We're lovely there. But
Hit something. Hit that time?
no, let's be back and forth.
No, okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down just to see what it looks like. Just to make
Me unplug this right here real quick. I'm gonna show y'all boys and girls what it looks like in there behind there. Just show them what other room we got in here.
No, it's got plenty of room in there.
Check that out. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I see. There's plenty of room. Yeah, you ain't lying. It's missing everything, isn't it?
Yeah. Easily, yeah.
So I guess that's all it has to do then. Guess we'll find out.
Here's some super slick.
I was saying we got Hennessy somewhere here, don't we?
Here, I'll ultra slick on there. It's ultra slick's good stuff. Remember, it sticks to the insides.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. It slicks them all up and down.
It's good.
Sounds good. We'll definitely know when we put the wheel on there if this wheel's gonna work right with it.
The hub looks good now.
I'm just saying with
You
it.
got plenty of room there. I just got to drill this hole for the
Yep.
bracket here.
True that.